We've just acquired this very rare BMW 435 xDrive, so it's 4-wheel drive. It's the M Sport. Don't compare it to the inferior 2-wheel drive, as this is the xDrive. Rare to come by. It's literally just arrived. We haven't even cleaned it yet, so there's got to be a few things done to it. It's got the front park distance control. It's got diamond cut alloys, but they are going to be silver and gloss black diamond cut. Will really set this car off and make it look gorgeous. So the wheels are going to be done. It's got a high level of specification on it. We've got the privacy glass to the rear, rear park distance control, twin exhausts, the full M Sport body styling kit. It drives absolutely superb, handles beautifully, obviously being the xDrive. Boot area's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric memory seats, full black Dakota leather. It's done 108,312 miles. It's got the heated seats. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth, full media pack including DAB. Let's put that on there. Air conditioning, climate control, different driving styles, sports, eco, pro, comfort, paddle shift on the steering wheel, cruise control, aux and USB. Absolutely lovely to drive. Great value for money. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.